Hey, you are a winner. Always remember that. Okay? Take time to appreciate anything. It's the feeling that's attached to your appreciation that is important. Appreciation and gratitude help you offer a strong positive vibrations, completely change your life, my dear friend. Appreciation and gratitude, they help you send out some very strong positive vibrations. When you are appreciating something, you are offering a feeling, means you are feeling from inside, and these vibrations are absolutely of a pure joy. Just think of a time when you express your thanks for someone in your life. At that time, the feeling when you really felt it from inside would have been so pure, so pure. Okay. The other thing is, you can keep a appreciation and gratitude book. This is the most effective daily tool through which you can maintain a positive vibrations. When you're purposely doing these things, you're appreciating everything things in your daily life, you are intentionally offering a strong, a powerful positive vibrations, and these vibrations, they are included in your vibrational bubble, and from there they start giving you a different life. Take time, take time in appreciating anything, because, and whenever do it with a pure feeling that should come from inside. That is very important, my dear. And always remember, you are a winner. Say this to yourself as many times as possible. I can. Yes, I can. I can. If you have a desire for an ideal relationship, keep daily appreciation journal. Maintain a book. In that, write down what kind of relationship you want, what kind of partner you want. This will allow it to reflect in your life. The love, the relationship, that will be reflected in your daily life. Because unless and until you stop trying, you're not a failure. You can write something like that, like, I'm grateful that I went with my friends this week. I loved sharing lunch today with my close friends. I appreciate my close friends giving me more and more attentions. I love having lots and lots of friends. These are, you can write it down as per your desire. This is just an example that I have given you. You can write anything on that, because whatever you are today is the result of whatever you have thought yesterday. So when you'll change your thoughts today, definitely your tomorrow will change. The things, your life, the circumstances, everything is going to change, my dear. And always remember, miracles do happen. All you need to have is faith. Just have faith, believe in yourself, and then you'll start seeing the miracles taking place in your life. And thank you so much for watching this video. These affirmations will change your life